Viewers all over the world, I welcome you all in today's section of Philosophy and Life. We have with us here an ordinary evangelist. Sir, you're highly welcome.
Well done.
Please introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name's Eze-Ana, Ugochi Tubelu n'Oraifite, ma ọ bụ ịkpọ m Akajugo. I'm an ancient high priest. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na Ugochi Tubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi rụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. Keenest when I in our administration, keep sharing it. Believe in me, today you will learn a lot from joining us. Thank you.
You're welcome once again.
Yeah.
Let's proceed with today's questions properly. Can you explain what coming back to the roots really means and what it represents?
Yeah, coming back to the root is you recognizing your root. Coming back to their bloodline, their lineage. Maka na ndị Igbo na-atụ ilu si na ihe na-esi na nke onye akarịa. Aligning yourself with your spiritual forces. Aligning yourself with all the spiritual forces bido na ndị ichie, ndị aka na ndị egede, and all the paternal and maternal forces. Recognizing them. Recognize the fact that you cannot achieve more if you are not getting the support from this your roots, because they are like your backbone. With them, you go far. Without them, apart from them, you can do nothing. That is, coming back to your root is to be at peace with those forces, your spiritual associates. They're gonna have a link.
Does returning to one's roots automatically guarantee wealth or prosperity?
Yeah, thank you for that question. Yeah, coming back to your root is not the purpose of calling you to come back to your root is not for you to amass wealth, no. Yeah, so if for the reason you are coming back to your root is for you to automatically have money because you need to feed the chicken, who does that? It doesn't work that way. To be at peace with your forces, your root should be paramount, should be what gives you joy. To be at peace with your spiritual forces, should be what is your spirit is yearning for, that recognition, for that alignment, so that there will be your backbone, so that that you will not be like a prodigal son. Do you know that some people on earth naturally is like an orphan in the spiritual realm? But when you align with your forces, you are no longer an orphan. You are somebody like Onwere Mmadụ. Can you at least know Onwere Mmadụ ka Onwere Ego? When you align with your spiritual forces, you have aligned with your forces. You have forces that is backing you. Therefore, nobody will harm you. Nobody will take what belongs to you, because you are already fortified with your forces. So I will advise you to align with yourself, coming to your roots, be at peace, so that let me paint a picture here. Did you know, I remember when I was growing up. But when I was growing up, I was born and brought up at Onitsha. We are living in a compound like face me and face you. If I tell you my street, people that knows me know that I'm one of the brightest child in the compound. People always, even people that brought their children to the compound, will always introduce their children to be following me, because one, have very respect. I greet every adult. I'm the type that when I see adult people, I tend to help. So if you are, let me give an example. If you are living in a compound where whenever as an adult you want to go and fetch water, an adolescent run after you, brother, let me go and fetch water for you. Or you want to go and buy something, he helps you out. Or maybe you see you coming back from market, he carries something, overload, and now come and help you. Now, and they will always be greeting you very well. If we peradventure another day you saw him where he's having problem with other people, what will you do? You will stop and find out what is the problem, because you have already seen that child as a good child, right? But if it's a child that doesn't greet you, if you see you in the morning, even if you send him out, he will not go. Now, if you see where they are messing him up with his mates, what will you do? You do as right. That is exactly if you are with your lineage, your root. Whenever they see anybody trying to destroy you, they will come and fight you about it. That is the benefit. Thank you.
What is your advice regarding to the criticism of people directly to ndị Eze-Ana, especially concerning how some of them present themselves?
Thank you. And sometimes manasị na nwanne onye na-agba aja igwu ọkikwa na akị. Nke bụ eziokwu na I have said it times without number that the way you present yourself matter. I've said it without number that ndị dibịa na ndị Eze-Ana abụrụ sọ ha bụ ndị agbara ọrụ. But the priests, the pastors, and so many other peoples are called words. So I don't want to hear the onye agbara ọrụ whether ma ọ na-arụ n'ụka ma ọ na-arụ n'ọdịnala. Therefore, nke ndị kpọrọ onwe ha ndị ọdịnala na-ama adị iche. A dibia should appear decent. A woman dibia should appear decent. He should not appear like agboro. It should not appear like agboro. Appear like somebody that is not well trained. At least, anya na-ebu ụzọ erie before ọnụ erie. The way you present yourself will make people to call you ashawo. The way you present yourself will make people to call you names. So, if we are doing all or you are doing spiritual work, don't tell me that how you live your life does not affect your gift. Believe in me. How you live, even if you are a very gifted person, if you went to Anu, that's your gift. That's your gift, my elude you. If you went to Anu, if like that gift to you, I'm an shine. Before you begin to tell me, Eze-Ana, that I'm the member of my when I was adolescent, I used to hear voices. I used to get messages, but now, I'm not going to jail. I'm going to if you will go carnal life. So don't tell me you will give to therefore you are permitted to be living carnal life. In a carnal life, your gift can be taken away from you. Some spirit that is working with you can back you. And they can jam the destiny harvesters. It can be manipulated. Those your gift can be harvested from you. You are making yourself vulnerable. So don't tell me that if you are called one, then I don't know, you are free to dress anyhow. Now it's a challenge to Ndaborolo. Ndaborolo as a dibia does not mean that he got the careless. That is why one of the reasons I'm advocating. From Ndaborolo, get training. You get training, behave like human being. Now Ndaborolo as Eze-Ana does not mean they have that you bomb shots without a public. Kelo exemplary role in a check and in a nega muta from you. A putana to a exposed part of your body. But if ever they shake bump or so what about those who are prophetess in our social media, they have cast a comport one. In as much as some of them when I work as be life, has Eze-Ana. Life why in a few need before years a call, okay? Some of them you can call her. Some of them which are matter too, where everything now. Which are how I know how to life. So Eze-Ana, Italy better. But on bata, not only able a prophetess is a color. If you call you see you packaging. So that a mother when we get equator, they told again new leaf. Macanobo no more. Namabro nyolo. Etu CME, I bargain etu present you when you got on them off. Call a day with what I want to do off. It's only as in on maybe you all but it was you to Igaba. He where is sustain by then in Nazion will be final. So over for the day I found days while for the or whoever say tattoo everywhere. Okay, however, everybody is a good tattoo and all those things were better than Nana. It cover and then after probably cover those things. Na ihe ndị na-asụ ka ndị na-eri o nwere onye ga-afụcha ụdị etu ahụ isi wee present onwe gị ọ dịsị ọ ma like inye gị ọrụ o nwere ka ihe esibe na social media present onwe gị na-eshi ekike ihe onye a ga-achọ ka ọ taa gị ị bịa ike na-eche nwata nyachi, what are you praying? Ọ dị ihe a ihe ọgwụ onye ụwa na-eme gị nwakpụrụ onwe spiritualist kwesịrị ime. Ọ bụrụ na ihe ji wee attract onye ahụ nwata nyachi ma jere onwe ya ebe ọ na-eje, mana attract the person by the quality, the inner content in you. Ọ bịa ihe ọ ya eji maka ebe ọ maka ndụ nke mmụọ ahụ ọ ya enweta na spiritual gift ọ ya enweta from you, ya intercession. Mana ọ bụrụ na ihe ji ebe ya attract ụkana, ọ bịa ọta attract kana ọ gawara onwe. So let our people behave very well. Mgbe ụfọdụ ọ na-agba nna afọ dị ha irritate me. So comport yourself. Ọ bụrụ ọsọ nkịta anyị na-eri esi mana ọ nke isi abụrụ n'ọnụ. For two are the prophetess and the pastor ya package nwa. Package yourself. Na-ara agba gị na ọ bụrụ ọsọ nwa onye nwere agwụ. Isi na don't tell me now. Because no ofu agwụ ị nwere ka pastor nọ na-azụrụ ya azụ. Mana nke ewu na-azụrụ gị azụ ịgbara ụkwụ ọsọ agwọrọ gị. Daalụ.
In your opinion, what key factors will sustain Igbo spirituality beyond current wave of awakening and interest?
Yeah, thank you for this question. The truth of the matter bụ na ọ bụrụ na ndị Igbo ihe mere ndị ọcha ji wee merie anyị mgbe ha bịara mbụ na ndị Igbo na-agba ọsọ ndụ, ọsọ okwukwe onye ọbụla n'isi ya. During that time, ndị nna ha ga-ejebe n'okwu hapụ nna nne na ụmụazị n'ụlọ. Ụmụazị aghọtara ihe nna anyị na-eme n'okwu. So ọ dị isili na ọ bụrụ na achọ nna anyị afro, ụmụazị emebisie ihe nna anyị ji ha ji wee dị ebube dị n'ezinụlọ maka na ha aghọtara ya. Anyị na-eme individual ọnya ịma na eweta ukwu azịza ịchọ ịgbaji ukwu azịza na-eweta azịza na-agbaji ewu nwa mana ịchọ ịgbaji n'ukwu onye ekwe mgbaji. So mgbe we practice Igbo spiritualism as individuals. Ada ọnya na-eme ndị ọdịnala kịta ya kwere abịakọtawo ọnụ. Ada ọnya batara eji eme ha akaje ịmụrụ na anara ofu onye oru n'oru niile ka a na-ara azụ. Ọnya batara inwe ike ịpụta social media fụ ebe a na-eme mmadụ akaje maka na ọ bụ onye ọdịnala. Maka na onye ọbụla n'isi ya. Mana ọ bụrụ na ndị ọdịnala ya ekwe ike bịakọta ọnụ as one umbrella, as a religious body, nobody will venture. Amarụkwo na anyị nwere mmadụ. Onya ka mụnwa ji call for establishment and the harmonization of ọdịnala people ka a nọrọ under one umbrella. Onya ka mụnwa ji advocate for ụka ọdịnala. Onya ka mụnwa ji advocate for ụka ọdịnala. Yes, ụka ọdịnala bụ ebe ndị niile a ga-enwe the same format, the same everything e nwere na Christianity a ga-enwekwa. So I believe from no onya maka ugochi toward na temple anyị nwere the evangelical arms under ụka ọdịnala practices. I follow ordinary restoration evangelical mission. Or a mission. I guess in ya those mission won't get sustain for a very long time. Makarobro na the mother kiro in as a mission. Name to as a more than individually. When this current people but are not than now is no more, everything will go back to old way. Because on the mad nation who can demand a temple. You are my melefa. Do to know than a name waroka. A genuine look at testimony. Man, there was something like that, Unuka. You may return your child or not the minister, who may you pay a seeker, only boy a testimony, no testimony, maybe Homa Maria.
Some people believe that Igbo spirituality and spiritual works are becoming too expensive. What is your perspective on that?
Yeah, thank you for that question. I keep telling people now, you heard Jagalon number one, the mother agotaro here with Igbo spirituality. I program the mother that 70% of your spiritual work can be done by yourself. It's only 30% can marry a marriage. Man, almost outside the country, maybe you will the money, and they be not conducive near me. That is where the third party, we DBS, come in to help you out. Kabuf. Okay, Buabuna, you hold your very expensive nation now, buy no qua. You want only in so. Remember, Mama, I need a Catholic. You put a Catholic, you don't spend much. You spend money doing bazaar, you spend money through supporting block rosary and rest of them. Man, I'm born in a wishing and car, but who can't keep, no can you spend more. Example, I wouldn't well, and when moon or wouldn't as family doctor. When moon or my family nigger. Now, I wouldn't order like that. If that person will go your record, medical record of each member of your family. So, I put anya onwere ka o se mere to ọmadugo ni nwere history of osa ọmadugo ni ihe a na-eme nwere ike ịbụ ihe gbasara osa onye goro ọgwụ osa onye go ọgwụ osa si ọkarịa 3 days gị bịakwazi ya ọ ga 4 3 days nwere onwe maka na o ji ya record mana ọ bụrụ na ije n'ụlọ ọgwụ fresh hospital obidogo run wa lab ndị ọ na-arụ lab ịrọnụgo na previous hospital ị na-eje and mgbe ahụ bido chekibe maọbụ ọsa maọbụ ihe ndị related ọsa by then spend the money. Agwụgwọ m ndị mmadụ ọ bụrụ na o nwere spiritualist na-arụ ọrụ ibelive ihe mana bụ ụzọ ọkụ ochie na mmụọ gị na-asụ ka a direct you to the right person. Ọ direct you to that right person gị na onye a nọrọ onwe ihe ndị ịghọtara ọfụma bụ onye ahụ ya direct you. Then onwe nke o si gagido kwụsị go back to the person maka ọ marụgo nke ọsọ mmadụ nke ọ ga-eme n'iru by then you spend the less and onwe ofu ebe ị na-eje alụ ọrụ ifu na onye a ga na-enwe ike ịjụọ ya ajụjụ ọza gị ịghọtago ọmadụgo ebe ọ rụrụ ọ ga-aja ya o nwere ike ịkarụwa ụfọdụ aja adịba emere ndị nke m ka arụghị ụfọdụ aja si jiri aka gị mee ya by then you spend the less mana ọ bụrụ isi na nke onye mapụta je na nke onye ahụ gaa ya wasting your money ọ ga-eme gị spend the much. Thank you.
What advice would you offer to young adherents of Eze-Ana who are just beginning their spiritual journey?
Yeah, my advice to Eze-Ana new adherents who to pay attention to their spiritual yearning and to ask their chi and the Ezumezu to always guide them to the right path. And general so many magicians, ndị na-eme arrange ya wapụta na social media and they show wealth and they show some of these false testimonies from arrange and all those things. By their fruit you shall know them. Know people you are following, and let's not be that what entice you is material things. And the manukwa na aka aja aja na-ebute ọnụ mmanụ enwere any shortcut to success. Ịghọtara ya isonye na ya n'Ọdịnala ya nwee ihe na-alụ gị nwa bụ nwa okorobịa gị nwa agbọghọbịa kedu ihe na-alụ nwere aka ọla ịmụrụ o nwere ihe ịmụrụ nke mbụ ọ bụrụ na o nwere ihe ịmụrụ some men will not take you serious. Ọgwụkwa na iwu nwoke o nwere ihe ịmụrụ some people will find it difficult to help you because na ọ ga-enwere something you are good at. Ọ ga-enwere something ebe isi wee gosi na ebe a ka ị dị good ịbụrụ onye ọrụ aka ya nwee ọrụ aka ya asị na ihe a ka ị na-arụ iji dị good ịbụkwana nwa agbọghọbịa nwee something ị mụrụ ọ ihe a ka onye a wee ike esi wee fụsị okay you have tried at least you have learned the skill then kere ebe ọ ga-esinye aka ịbụrụ nwata nwaanyị onye a ga-enyere aka wee gotara ihe ihe eji wee bido ya business fine. Ịbụrụkwa nwata nwoke the same thing ịbụkwana onye ga-eje mụọ aka ọrụ focus ichekwara na o nwere ka ego si ada n'elu onye alụ na anya eri na so Ọdịnala Igbo bụ ihe ọ bụla ị na-eme keep friends that will add value. Don't keep friends ndị nta ụmanwụ ma ndị ha nwere ndị adịrọ nwere focus. Yes, don't allow your desire to always give you direction. Ndị ga na-eso let it be na onye a ihe iji eso nwere onwere alụ ọ na-atị like me personally I don't have much friends because what I'm achọ nwere much friends bụ na mfụ na ọma mụ na gị ma enwere ihe na-amụta na ya ga-enyere m aka can see from point A to point B. I will not keep you as friends, and that is why for me naturally I'm an introvert. However, people I keep as friends are people that nature who are introverts. Sometimes they don't even have time for themselves, but we normally rub minds and share ideas. So let your friends be ndị na-add value, ndị na-eje ebe ị na-eje. Then ọ bụrụ na ndị na-enwe as friends abụrụ ndị na-eche ete isi eche ma ọ bụ na-eje ebe ị na-eje, you don't have any business keeping such people. Hello?
Viewers all over the world, we have come to an end on today's edition of Philosophy and Life. If you have any question based on today's teaching, you can drop it on the comment section or DM Eze-Ana with the WhatsApp number showing on your screen. For more inquiries, deep consultation, you can as well DM him with that same number. It's nice having you here today.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Moderator.
Thanks for your time. Before we go, any advice for our viewers?
Yeah, viewers all over the world, work back and eat hot jaw. I can tell you, once you keep sowing good seed, believe me, it's a matter of time. You'll be able to pay up your accumulated karma. And believe in me, sooner or later, you begin to reap good fruits of your labor. Thank you, and remember blessed. Keep joining us, keep sharing our message. Eze-Ana.